The Financial Express editorial analysis, October 16, 2020. Today's editorial is based on ways to encourage use of electric vehicle. The title of the editorial is Electrifying Impetus. Impetus means momentum. The crux of the editorial is Delhi government waiving road tax for electric vehicles is a big boost, but it must shift its energy mix towards renewables for the desired green gains. What is energy mix? The share of thermal power plant, hydropower plant, nuclear power plant and renewables. These constitute energy mix of any country. And what is the meaning of green gains? It is related to carbon dioxide emissions. How much reduction in carbon dioxide is possible through the introduction of electric vehicles. Now, the center did its bit to encourage electric vehicles when it offered tax exemption on electric cars. Earlier in 2019, the GST Council accepted the proposal of a lower 5% GST on electric vehicles. Now the Delhi government has waived off road tax on electric vehicles. Last month it had announced that it would soon be rolling out the subsidies under its EV policy. The road tax waiver results in saving of rupees 1.5 lakh on a rupee 14 lakh car. With the subsidy scheme, the cost difference with a comparable ICE internal combustion engine car can be recovered in just 1 to 3 years. So with the introduction of road tax waiver, the cost difference will be recovered in just 1 to 3 years. While the plan is also to increase the charging infrastructure. In fact, charging infrastructure plays a very important role while the introduction of electric vehicles. In electric vehicles, we come across a term known as range anxiety. Range anxiety is the fear that a vehicle has insufficient range to reach its destination and would thus strand the vehicle's occupant. So, sufficient number of charging infrastructure is very much required for the success of electric vehicle. While the plan is also to increase the charging infrastructure, the lack of information in the market and the lack of choice for customers may throw a spanner in the plans. May throw a spanner in the plans. To throw a spanner in the plans means to cause delay, to derail, to do something that prevents a plan or activity from succeeding. So it is very much required that charging infrastructure, there must be sufficient charging infrastructure for electric vehicles and sufficient information for buyers, and there must be a lot of choices for customers. If the center is intent on promoting electric vehicles, it will need to relax its strict standards and allow more manufacturers to bring their cars to the Indian market by reducing the duties on electric vehicle imports. Delhi also must ensure that its power consumption leans towards renewables. As per the Central Electricity Authority, thermal power accounts for 85% of Delhi's total power. A US government report shows that states in that country that rely excessively on coal show only a slight difference between electric vehicles and internal combustion engine vehicles in terms of annual emissions per vehicle. So if Delhi is to see real gains, it needs to relook its energy mixes as well. In fact, it is quite right that energy mix must have sufficient renewables because while charging electric vehicles we will need power, and that power comes from thermal power plant or coal power plant. Then the net gain and the purpose for green gains will be defeated, and so energy mix must be changed not only for Delhi government but for the whole country. And in recent years, we have seen that a lot of emphasis is being given to renewables, and in the near future, and the share of renewables will increase sufficiently. But it is important right now to make sufficient charging infrastructure and other ecosystem for electric vehicles so that when it comes in the market, so that users, buyers can go for electric vehicles, and when energy mix will be changed, by that time we will be able to take maximum mileage out of it, and the carbon dioxide reduction will also be there. So it is right time to go for better charging infrastructure and to give customers a lot of choices. Thanks for listening.